we have a specific plan for how we're going to organize the space inside the container. Yes, in addition to climate control inside the container. That's right. We will also have separate isolated zones where each element will be placed in its own block. For example, our air supply, the air supply system will be one such zone. Yes, all generation zones. Further on, there are already zones of energy distribution, well, relatively speaking, yes. That is, our container is divided internally into 3 zones, which will be isolated from each other. All this is done naturally in order to protect a person during operation. If suddenly it becomes necessary to get inside the container for some kind of technical support.
Yes. Well, that is to say, one way or another, it is still determined by some specific criteria. This
Certainly.
not only visual aesthetics and accompaniment of the separation of parts, but also a certain safety.
Of course. As soon as we have fully prepared the entire component base, yes, we will then start developing the actual detailed layout and arrangement of all the equipment inside the container and the distribution of zones. And right now, I want to add that work is already underway since we are moving our station, our prototype, into the containers we mentioned earlier. And right now, all the necessary work is being carried out to arrange the component base inside the container.